trendybeats.com.
Welcome to Uptrust Energy. At Uptrust, strength and quality is our priority. At Uptrust Energy, we are into solar installation, maintenance and designs of automated buildings, smart cities, and import of solar kits. We have outlets all over Nigeria, but our head office is at Cross River State, number 5, Boki Road, Ikom Local Government Area, Cross River State. We have a special promo package that lasts for 3 months. It started in December. Throughout this season, we have just been giving promo packages. In this promo package, we have subsidized rate of our materials and installations. We do installations for free during this period. And also we have subsidized rates of all our materials all throughout this promo period. For solar generators, of all our materials we are selling, the installation packages, the street lights, we have a promo package for each and every one of them. So for further information, call or chat the contact on the screen. Thank you so much.